today let's start with chapter number 6, that is civilizing the native and educating the nation. So what happened? The British Empire extended its rule over India. They faced the need of employ Indians in lower level administrative role, and they coupled with their desire to civilize, convert and communicate with Indian population. Right? And afterward they prompted the British to introduce English education in India. Now let's study about the tradition of orientation. So in year 1783, William Jones assumed the position of junior judge in Supreme Court. He was not only a legal expert but also a linguistic proficient Greek, Latin, French and Arabic, Persian, even Sanskrit as a scholar. Scholars such as Colebrook and Hallett, similarly they were interested in Indian philosophy. तो इन्होंने क्या करा, डिफरेंट टास्क लिए फॉर ट्रांसलेटिंग संस्कृत एंड पर्शियन टेक्स्ट इनटू English. And Jones and Colebrook and Nathal held establishment of a specific society and they have two critical purposes. Well, उसका translation का जो purpose था वो दो था. One is they allowed the British to gain insight कि भाई आप Indian culture में आइए. Next is they provided Indians with the opportunity what to rediscover and learn about the rich heritage. During this period, education institution of Hindus were referred to as पाठशालास. इनको हम पाठशालास कहते थे. And Muslims की क्या होती थी? मदरसास होते. So study of Arabic and Persian Islamic law. In 1971, Hindu College was founded in Kalpur with the aim for encouraging study of ancient Indian texts. And was termed Orientalism and faced opposition from significant portion, and it favored English as a medium of instruction. Now, grave error of the East. So we can say that educational debate in India gave the rise of two opposing viewpoints, Orientalist and the Agelist, leading to Anglo-Oriental controversy on education. Lord Macaulay strongly advocated the introduction of English education in India. So Macaulay believed that through the study of English, Indian could gain access to some of the finest Western literatures. He asserted the language and the process of civilizing Indian populace shaping the task and worry. So the James Mill थे, he asserted the British should acquaint Indians with scientific. आप scientific and technological process आप क्या कर सकते हैं, इनको achieve कर सकते हैं. Primary goal क्या था? According to Mill, not merely to oppose anyone to win fame. So Lord Macaulay proposal were enacted into law by Lord William Bentinck, and instruction and Oriental education was subsequently discontinued and English textbooks were commissioned for the use of women's. Next is education for commerce. In mid-19th century, Court of Directors of the East India Company in London set a significant document called Wood Dispatch of the Governor General of India. The dispatch stressed the importance of European style education over traditional Oriental learning. और उन्होंने क्या encourage करा? India to learn about economic, to understand trade and commerce. To implement these ideas, several steps were taken. You can see educational departments were established to oversee educational matter. For 1857, if we talk about, universities were founded at Bombay, Kolkata and Madras, and efforts were made to reform the school education system. Now, changes in school education, report on William Adam. In 1830, William Adam, Scottish missionary, was tasked in assigning vernacular education in Bengal and Bihar. He revealed that there were around 1 lakh pathshalas and most of these schools had small number of students, typically around 20. They were managed by local communities, wealthy individuals and teacher MD. Education in these pathshala were flexible, often taking place under banyan tree, right? And we can say it was primary oral. पहले जो education होती थी ना, वो oral होती थी, written नहीं होती थी, right? Spread of education. The Wood Dispatch in 1854 highlighted practice benefits of European. According to Charles Wood, education would be enabled in expanding trade and commerce in a significant developing country. It believed that European learning would also foster honesty and truthfulness. So, to centralize education, various government departments were established in 1854. आप देखेंगे यूनिवर्सिटीज फाउंड करी गई थी कलकत्ता, मद्रास एंड बॉम्बे, और चेंजेस हुआ था स्कूल लेवल. न्यू रूटीन्स एंड न्यू रूलर्स. बिफोर मिड 19th सेंचुरी, ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी इसने प्राइमरी एजुकेशन पे कोई फोकस नहीं करा, राइट? लोकल पाठशाला ऑपरेटेड विद मिनिमल इंटरफेरेंस एंड आफ्टर 1864 कंपनी शिफ्टेड इट्स अटेंशन टू वर्नाकुलर एजुकेशन. So what happened? जिसमें आपके टीचर्स गुरुस फिक्स टाइम टेबल्स होता था, प्रिस्क्राइब टेक्स्ट बुक होती थी, मैंडेटरी अटेंशन अटेंडेंस होती थी, यूज ऑफ टाइम discipline, regular fees, annual examination. Now, Mahatma Gandhi and national education. So, while some supported Western education, Mahatma Gandhi believed that it had made India feel inferior. So, what he argued that Indian education need to promote self-respect for Indian culture and focus on practical knowledge. इन्होंने कहा कि practical knowledge पे हम ज़्यादा ध्यान देंगे, ना कि theoretical knowledge. So what happened? He established Indian educational institution to foster national education, and what he saw Western education as a negative influence that admired British rule over India. Gandhiji emphasized that education should develop a person mind and soul rather than just literacy. So we will study about Tagore, adobe of these. Another prominent figure in Indian education was Rabindranath Tagore. He envisioned a school where children were free to explore their thoughts. बच्चे क्या करते थे, अपने थॉट्स को एक्सप्लोर करते थे and create opposing rigid educational system. And we can say Shanti Niketan, 100 kilometers from Kolkata, which was called adobe of peace. इसको हम क्या कहते थे, adobe of peace, had children could learn and develop their talents in harmony with nature. So we can say while Tagore and Gandhiji shared same views on education, but they also had भाई same view तो थी, लेकिन एक इनके बीच में क्या थी, डिफरेंस थी. गांधीजी रिजेक्टेड वेस्टर्न एजुकेशन, और जो टैगोर थे वो किसको एम करते थे, इंडियन ट्रेडिशन विद वेस्टर्न मॉडर्न. So many other Indian thinkers also contributed to debate on the countryside educational system, and this discuss continued even after again in debate. उस बात तक भी कंटिन्यू रहा जब तक इंडिया ने क्या करा, independence seal. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.